Good morning to all. I'm Arul Sowmiya, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. So here I'm going to share about a cloud computing architecture. So this is the architecture of cloud computing. So cloud computing architecture is a combination of components required for a cloud computing service. So a cloud computing architecture consists of several components like a front-end platform and a back-end platform or servers or a network in an internet service and a cloud-based delivery service. So here there are two types here. The first one is front end and second one is back end. So front end is nothing but it contains a client side interface and applications. So both of these components are important to access the cloud computing. So the front end includes web servers like Chrome, Firefox, Opera and clients and mobile devices. So in backend, the backend part helps to manage all the resources needed to provide cloud computing service. So in this cloud architecture part, it includes a service mechanism and a large amount of data storage, servers, virtual machines, traffic control machines, etc. So in this first we see the client infrastructure. So in this client infrastructure, it is a front-end component and that provides a GUI and it helps users to interact with the cloud. So and then coming to the back-end process, the first one is application. So application is nothing but it can be any software or platform which a client wants to access. And the next one is service. Service, it manages which type of services we can access according to the client's requirements. So there are three cloud computing services: SAS, PAS, IAS. So here the service components manage all the access to the client requirements. So the next one is runtime cloud. So runtime cloud offers the execution and runtime environment to the virtual machines. And then storage. So storage, it provides a large amount of storage capacity in the cloud to store and manage the data. And next one is infrastructure. So cloud infrastructure includes hardware and software components like servers, storage, network devices, virtualization, software and various other storage resources that are needed to support the cloud computing model. So here these infrastructures are managed by a management. So this component manages components like application, service, runtime cloud, storage, infrastructure and other security matters in the backend. So coming to the securities in backend process refers to implementing different security mechanisms for securing the cloud system, resources, files and infrastructure to the end user. So internet is a bridge for both the front end and back end. So internet connection acts as a bridge or a medium between front end and back end. It allows you to establish the interaction and communication between the front end and back end. So next one is service model. So service model consists of three types. First one is software and application, second one is platform and third one is infrastructure. So the first service model is infrastructure as a service. So it is a service model that involves outsourcing the basic infrastructure used to support the operations like storage, hardware, servers and network components. So in this service provider, it owns the infrastructure equipment and it is responsible for housing, running and maintaining it. So here the customer typically pays on a pair-based uses. So the next one is platform as a service. So in this service model, it involves to the outsourcing the basic infrastructure and platform like Windows and Unix. So it facilitates deploying the applications without the cost and complexity of buying and managing the underlying hardware and software where the applications are hosted. So the third one is software as a service. Software as a service, it is also referred as in software on demand. So in this service model, it involves outsourcing the infrastructure, platform and software or an application. So typically these services are available to the customer for a fee, pay as you can go, so or no charge model. So the customer access the application over the internet. Thank you.